At the very outset, we extend a very warm greetings from Assam Association, Chennai. The Assam Association Chennai is a non-political socio-cultural organization which serving the Assamese people, coming over to Chennai facing all sorts of problems like language, food, travel, lodging, medical or any type of problem. This association also has an objective to get to know each other, the Assamese families, working individual or students staying in Chennai. With great pleasure, we would like to inform you that we are going to publish our 10th issue Souvenir CAUVERY on the occasion of Rongali Bihu Festival to be celebrated on 16th April, 2016 at CLRI Playground, Chennai. The souvenir is widely circulated among the people of Assam and its neighboring states in the northeast India, as we all know that the city of Chennai has become the hub of medical tourism and higher education and technical disciplines, for which thousands of people regularly visit Chennai from northeast region, especially from Assam. For the above happy occasion, we solicit your kind cooperation by agreeing to insert an advertisement of your esteemed organization, establishment and forthcoming edition of the Souvenir CAUVERY. The rates of advertisement are as follow. Outer cover page, color, 40,000. Inner cover page, color, 30,000. Full page color 20,000. Half page color 10,000. Payment may be made through cash or check on the name of Assam Association, Chennai. Soft copy of the advertisement material may be sent to the email ID inucalpa@gmail.com. Looking forward for a favorable response from your end at an early date. With sincere regards. For Assam Association, Chennai. President.